Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very lovely recipe, which is spicy and sour tin fish curry. And thereafter we're going to put into a nice bunny chow. That's why I am using a hot chili spice Lucky Star tin fish, which is 400 grams. My rest of the ingredients for my tin fish curry is, I've got a medium size onions that are grated. I'm using 1/4 cup of oil, 2 medium size of tomato grated, and for my spices I have a teaspoon of pure chili powder, a teaspoon of jeera powder, a teaspoon of dhania powder, and a teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of hurdee. And thereafter for the taste, I'm going to use a teaspoon of fine salt. For the braising, I also got a teaspoon of mustard seed, a teaspoon of old jeera. I'm also going to use 6 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to crush down. And these chilies are from my garden and they are very hot chilies. Here I have 1 tablespoon of black imlee dissolved in half a cup of warm water. For my greens, I have spring onions to garnish, dhania, mint, and also I have a stem of curry leaf to braise. Now I am ready to start my braise. I've got my stove on moderate heat and I'm just going to add in my 1/4 cup of oil. To my oil, I'm going to add in my onion. I'll allow this onion to fry out. My onions are browning up. So to my onions, I'm going to add in my garlic. I'm going to add in my curry leaf, my jeera seed, and my mustard, my green chilies. To this, I'm going to add in all my spice. Now I'm adding my grated tomatoes, and I'm also going to add in my salt. I'll allow this to cook till my tomatoes are done. Now my tomatoes are cooked out. So gently I'm going to add in my imlee water, and I'll also bring this to the full boil. My gravy is cooked. Now I'm just going to place in my tin fish, which I cleaned out. And I'll give this 15 minutes to cook. Ten minutes has passed and my gravy is nice and thick. I don't want to dry up this curry because I'm going to use it for bunny. So I'm just leaving most of the gravy. I'm going to switch my stove off, and now I'm ready to garnish. Now we'll prepare our bread for our bunny. Here you go, your spicy, sour tin fish curry put into a bunny. And this makes a very good lunchtime meal for Pranesh and I. And we served it with some lovely carrot salad on the side. We are going to sit down and enjoy our lunch. A simple curry that's made in a very delicious way. We are going to enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned.